Good morning from Paris. I'm going to start with red lips. I know it's very cliche. I've been wearing nudes all week and I just feel like wearing a Pigalle red. I'm staying in the Pigalle area right now. So this is Audrey by NARS. I brought this foundation, the Luminescent CC Cream by Giorgio Armani. I don't know how people travel all the time. It's so hard. It's so hard to eat well because you can't prepare salads or anything simple. I guess that's why you would get an Airbnb. But I love hotels. Now I'm going through a stage of wearing blush. So I'm gonna put on some blush. I'm using this palette. I'm gonna start with bronzer. And then a little bit of the pink one. And then maybe also a little bit of the red one. Just a tiny bit. And then I don't even look at it. I just spend a few moments doing this. Yesterday I wasn't wearing anything on my eyes, so today I am. So basically yesterday I wasn't wearing much makeup at all. And you know, when you don't wear anything, you just get bored. It's just about boredom, makeup, that's all it is. And the coffee in the hotel is dreadful. It's not filter coffee, I don't know what it is. I'm using the Ellis Fast 107 eyeshadow. Whoa. I can't see anything. Look at this mirror. I mean, it's so dirty. People are like, what are you doing in Paris? I'm like, just the usual. Hanging around. Taking inspiration from my muses, producing video content. Inspiration is a big part of the life of the artist. We have to be kept happy. Blending more, because you know, we want this to look completely as an afterthought. That's a beautiful smoky mascara, and this is it. This mascara has actually turned out to be amazing. See? Every mascara just has a technique. Hair is still humid. So annoying. I'm gonna blot my lips because I can't even speak without fearing that it's gonna get on my teeth. And this is the final look.